5 reasons why the real estate market will crash in 2021. Number 1. Interest rates go above 4%. If the interest rates go above 4%, the market is definitely going to slow down, and the investors and people who are using their equity in the market will no longer be buying those horrendous offers and 20 offers or 25 offers on the property. There will be limited buyers with good, solid financial backgrounds and money with them who will be able to buy the properties in cash in their bank accounts. So there'll be less lending, less using of the equities in the home. So the purchase of people will slow down and the market will eventually crash. Number 2, the supply of houses goes above the demand. The builders right now are working overtime to match up the demand. But if somehow builders find the land and they are able to produce more products than the actual demand is, they're going to bring up at least 400,000 condos in this year, then the market will definitely crash, as there'll be a lot of inventory in the market and not that much of a demand, and the market will definitely crash. The prices would definitely fall down. Number 3, if immigration stops. If the Canadian government decides to not bring the 400,000 in or 2 million new immigrants into Canada, then there's definitely going to be a housing market crash. Right now, people are buying houses in anticipation that there's going to be immigration and there's going to be demand for the houses and the condos in the major cities. But if that immigration falls, then the future demand will fall, the anticipation will fall, and that's why prices will fall and the market will crash. Number 4, if the stock market crashes dramatically and continuously. So if the stock market crashes very drastically, I'm saying 500, 600 points daily for a month or so, then there is going to be definitely an impact on the housing market as well. As many people have their money invested in the stock market, there'll be an overall loss, and for that, there will be a lot of selling, there'll be a lot of inventory in the market, and that's going to bring the demand and lower for purchasing, as many people would have lost their money in the stock market. So the real estate market would definitely also be crashed if the stock market is crashing drastically and continuously. Number 5, if the lending standards fall. The lending standards are quite strict in Canada right now, but if for some reason the Canadian banks decide to let go of their lending standards, lose the different criteria they have set up, for example, stress tests and different checks for or mortgages, then the Canadian market is going to eventually crash, but in the slightly longer run, as many people would be buying houses without actual credit and net worth or liability available to them, and that would eventually lead to a market crash. So these were my perspectives, is in case if any of these things happen, the market will definitely crash. Ash, what are your opinions? Do you see any of these 5 reasons coming up in the near future or in 2021? And if you got value out of this video, hit the like button. For more Canadian real estate content, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.